Welcome back, everybody. I hope you're in your very special den or your very special cozy corner. You've made it as beautiful as can be. Take 2 fingers and place them by the side of your eyes, and let's massage around the side of our eyes in a lovely circle. This helps us to feel calm and relaxed and peaceful. Helps us if we're ever feeling anxious or stressed. Helps us to feel calm and peaceful. If any of you ever get headaches when you're feeling a little bit stressed out or a little bit anxious, massage here by the side of your eyes and it can really help you to feel calm and peaceful. You can do this for as long as you would like. Now, take those 2 fingers and massage over your eyebrows. Again, this can really help you. It can really help you if you're feeling stressed or worried or perhaps a little bit anxious. And when you're massaging over your eyebrows like this, you'll see here, you might be able to feel just here in your eyebrows there's a little dent. See if you can massage over that dent to help clear any worries away. And when you are massaging, I want you to breathe in relaxation and breathe out any worries. Breathe in relaxation and breathe out any worries. Last one, breathe in relaxation and breathe out any worries. Good, well done. Do this for as long as you need to help you to feel calm and relaxed and peaceful. Now, take 1 finger and place 1 finger here and 1 finger here by the side of your eyes. Just gently squeeze here. Can't really see, my fringes in the way. Squeeze here, side of your eyes. You can press quite firmly. If you have headaches, or you feel really tense or really anxious, squeezing here by the side of your eyes can really help. Good. Might feel a little bit tender. Just help to melt any anxieties or stress away. Continue to breathe in relaxation and breathe out any worries. Finally, remember to squidge our squidgy bit on our hand, just in between your thumb and your finger is this part of your hand. When you squeeze here, it sends a very special message to your brain telling you to just relax. So you can squeeze your own hand or you can squeeze somebody else's. Help them to relax too. So just squidge your squidgy bit on your hand and remember to keep taking your big breath in and your big breath out. Good. Keep squeezing. And now when you're squeezing your hand, let's imagine that there is a candle in front of you. You don't want to blow out your candle. You want to just make your flame flicker. So take a big breath in and breathe out. one more time. Take a big breath in and breathe out. This time, blow away all of your anger or frustration or worries and blow your candle out. Use all of these techniques and put them in your toolbox of tricks. Put in massaging the side of your eyes into your toolbox of tricks. Add in massaging over your eyebrows into your toolbox of tricks. Add in just gently squeezing here on our eyes into your toolbox of tricks. Don't forget your squidgy bit into your toolbox of tricks, and your candle breathing into your toolbox of tricks to help you to feel calm and peaceful and relaxed. Now practice all of these tricks and tips. Practice them every single day. Share them with your friends or share them with your family, whoever you may live with. Let's help to get everyone to feel calm and peaceful and relaxed. Take a big breath in and out. Well done, everybody. You've done a great job today. You can do these tips and tricks as many times as you want to, for as long as you want to. Make sure you're as calm and peaceful as can be. See you next week, everybody. Bye-bye.